Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Biswajit stated that the state's journalist pension amount will be increased and the same will be brought before the cabinet for approval. Speaking at the press meet come handing over of ex gratia money to the next of kin of a deceased journalist in his chamber at New Secretariat, the minister further said that the pension amount will be increased to Rs 10,000 from Rs 4,000 and 5,000 from Rs 2,000. A grand felicitation program for Outer Manipur Parliamentary Constituency MP Dr. Lorho and Executive Member Additional Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong G. Aphaukhui was held today at 22 Rengpang Segment District Council Constituency Common Ground. The grand event was attended by a large number of people including church leaders, village authority members, students, youths and civil society organizations leaders. The Directorate of Ayush, Lamphilpat State Ayush Society Manipur and Rayotang Simba Organization under the supervision of Public Health Outreach Activity National Ayush Mission organized a one-day free Ayush health camp at Rayotang, Ukhrul District today. Senior Homeopathy Physician Dr. Palmay Khai, Homeopathy Physician Dr. P. E. Boton, Ayurvedic Apprentice Dr. L. Suraj Sarma, Pharmacist of Directorate of Ayush Y. Santi Kumar, A.M. Surchandra and staff nurse O. Joyenba attended the camp led by Deputy Director of Directorate of Ayush Dr. S. Bishwanath. The Forest Department along with the residents of Tekcham Sabalaikai have jointly planted saplings at Tekcham area, Thoubal district today. They also assured to take care of the saplings till they are fully grown. Deputy Ranger of Thoubal Forest Division M. Viren Singh, Beat Officer of Foreign Beat Office Palil Mohammad Salahuddin, President of Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee Manipur Rabi Takhelambam, Honorary Wildlife Warden of Forest Division W. Ramchandra Singh and staff of Thoubal Forest Range took part in the program. Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, Chinikon, Senapati District celebrated Teachers' Day at its premises today. Talking on the sidelines of the function, former President of ICHAM N. Rajendro also attended the function.